हॅलो सर, गुरुले सर.
हॅलो.
हा, मी आता जस्ट तुम्हाला लिंक शेअर केली आहे युट्यूबची.
ओके. यस.
व्हॉट्सअपवर. गुड मॉर्निंग कुणाल सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Morning, good morning.
ठीक है जरा संजय संजय
Hello, madam. Dr. Chamarkar, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We can start.
Okay, sir.
Hello, good morning, Kunal sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning. कैसे हैं?
एकदम बढ़िया है, सर.
Okay.
आप कैसे हैं, सर?
Fine, sir. When you are coming to Nagpur?
I am already in Nagpur, sir.
You are already in Nagpur.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Our university has a summer vacation, so that's
Okay.
why I am in Nagpur. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam. Start now.
Okay, sir. A pleasant good morning to all. Honorable guests, respected faculty members, academicians, research scholars, and all my dear participants. In addition to chalk and talk method of teaching, the faculty members are using the IT-enabled learning tool such as PPT, video clipping, audio system, online resources to expose the students for advanced knowledge and practical learning. ICT enable the use of innovative educational resources and the renewal of the learning method, establishing a more active collaboration of students and the simultaneous gaining of technological knowledge. Before we proceed, it's my duty to pay my humble homage to the memory of Honorable Let's see Govindra Vanjari, the founder president of Amar Seva Mandal. On behalf of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, myself, Dr. Aruna Samatkar, would like to extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries virtually present on second day of national level 1 week faculty development program on ICT tools for effective teaching learning organized by Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya. It's my proud privilege to welcome Honorable Dr. Suhasini Vanjari Madam, President of Amar Seva Mandal, Honorable MLC and Advocate Abhijit Vanjari, Secretary Amar Seva Mandal, and Honorable Dr. Smita Vanjari Madam, Treasurer of Amar Seva Mandal. I heartily welcome today's resource person, respected Dr. Kunal Gaikwad sir. I extend my warmest welcome to respected Dr. Badwaik sir, the principal of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, and Dr. Dahikar sir, vice principal of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, and the convener of this national level FDP, Dr. Gurnule sir. I also welcome all the respected faculty members from various states and regions of India who has registered on FDP on ICT tools. STEM management of this college always insists for organizing such program to enrich the knowledge of faculties through interaction with the eminent personality from academics and industries as well. Before of knowledge sharing, teaching learning process for the student will enhance the capability of teachers in using ICT tools while teaching and enables teachers to explore various Google applications and other digital tools. With this aim, we are gathered here for second day of FDP on ICT tools for effective teaching learning. Dr. Kunal sir, we are thankful to take some time out of your busy schedule to join us today to share knowledge on topic Google app and its add-on. It's my proud privilege to introduce today's resource person, Dr. Kunal Gaikwad sir. Dr. Gaikwad sir has done Master in Electronics and has qualified both NET and SET exam. Sir has done Doctorate in Embedded System in Electronics subject in the Science faculty and as an approved guide for MPhil and PhD by KBC, North Maharashtra University. He has published 10 books so far and many research papers in various national and international reputed journals. Sir has completed Vice Chancellor Research Motivational STEAM project for the session 2015 to 2017 under the name Wireless Operated Token Counter System for auto queuing purposes. He has filed total 4 patents, among which one is Australian patent on a system for blockchain linked Internet of Things based railway digital display reader and 3 Indian patents on different topics. He has been invited as a keynote speaker, resource person in various workshops, inductive program, FDP and conferences. He has delivered many lectures in various orientations programs and presently working as an assistant professor in electronics department at ASC College, Chopra, Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Looking at his achievement and knowledge, he is the right person of today's session on Google's app and its add-on. Google apps are designed to interact with each other and more powerful in combinations. The beauty of Google Shoes for the education is that several people can contribute simultaneously, so it's truly designed for collaboration. We are lucky to have such an eminent personality among with us. So I request from bottom of my heart and invite him enlighten us on today's topic, that is introduction of Google app and its add-on. Over to you, Kunal sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Aruna Chamatkar, ma'am, for introducing in very brief way. First of all, I congratulate all the entire team of Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya for organizing such a wonderful and very innovative topic, and that is related to all the teaching fraternity, that is a national 1 week faculty development program for effective teaching and learning, that is based on ICT tools. First of all, I thank to Professor Gurnule sir, convener of this FDP. He is always in my contact and he is my senior, and he always inspire me to do some more work. So thank you, sir. And I also thank Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya management officials. They always gives us the chance to share some knowledge regarding all the ICT tools that I have. And I also thank Dr. P.B. Dahikar sir. He is my guide, and he always supports us and saying me us to achieve some new things in the life. So thank you, Dahikar sir. I also thank Badwaik sir, principal of Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, and I thank all the entire organizing team to give me chance to share some knowledge that I have. Okay, so let's start with the today's topic, that is Google Apps. But before we start the Google Apps or we start the Google add-on, first of all, I give the brief summary about what is the Google Apps and why it requires and what is the need of Google App in the today's era. So the last 2 years, we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic situation. And in that situation, we all more frequently use these Google apps, such as the Google Form, Google Sheets, and more prominently, as far as the teaching fraternity is concerned, we are using the Google Classroom. So these apps, why it is very so much important, or why we are deal with this, and how we use this app in our teaching and learning, and how we more interactive with the students with this app. So I'm sharing my presentation. 1 minute. Okay, so as in this presentation or in this slide, we can see that what are the Google providers. These are the apps, and means some years ago, Google created their own email account or own email client, that is Gmail, which has become one of the top providers of email services around the world, not only for the private use, but also for education institutions and businesses. But this Gmail account is not only a simple email account, but has a lot of features. And if you have 1 meg of Gmail account, then you can take advantage of its full potential. So first of all, we begin with this, the first triangular symbol, that is a Google Drive. What it's used? The Google Drive is a cloud storage and file backup system which provides you with 15 gigabytes of disk space to host all kinds of files, photos, videos, and so on for free. Now 15 gigabytes is a lot of space, but if you want, or if your the space is filled, it's up to you. You can always buy some more space from the Google within Drive, and you can also create all kinds of documents within Google on web-based Office suite with Google Docs. So now we are moving towards this. That is, what is Google Docs? A Google Docs is a simple but a powerful word processor. You can write text documents and use Google search to find relevant information for the topic you're working in without leaving your document. This is very important advantage of Google, that we don't want to leave this document for searching anything. We don't want to search, we don't want to change the tab while we are in the same tab and we are search in the Google Docs and we are finding something and just copy and paste on our document. This is the best advantage of Google. After that, this is a Google Sheets. This green symbol is a Google Sheet symbol, and this Google Sheet symbol is similar to the Microsoft Excel, and it is a handy spreadsheet program to organize your data and work with tons of formulas for your calculations. After that, this is a Google Slide that is in yellow color. This is also similar to the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, but this sheet includes Google Slides to create stunning presentations like this that I'm going to present. And in fact, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides can all be easily converted to any standard file format in the market. So with the help of this, we can convert or we can import Microsoft PowerPoint presentation in Google Slide also. So this is another advantage of that Google app. After that, this blue color symbol is a Google Form symbol that everyone knows that, because in last 2 years, we, as far as our teaching fraternity is concerned, we are conducting the online quiz competitions, online tests, online exams with the help of this Google Form, and it is also used as a registration. So after this slide, we are more focusing on this Google Form. After that, this is another symbol, that is a Google Calendar, and this Google Calendar is a practical calendar in which we can organize all our meetings, lectures, or events, establishing notifications and inviting our contacts. You will never forget an appointment again. You can also create groups. So this is another blue symbol, that is groups, and with the help of this group, form your contacts and use them as a mailing list or as a best for sharing our documents with the help of this group. Now, this is very important symbol, and this symbol is of Google Sites. So if we want to create our website and we launch our website, or if we have very good content, Then we can put our contents on the website, and we create our website with the help of this Google Site platform. This Google Site platform is a simple and fast way to create a sophisticated web pages with the help of existing templates. Now, this symbol is slightly similar to the WhatsApp symbol. That is, you can communicate in real time with your friends, students, or customers through this Hangout symbol. This is a Hangout app that provided by, again, Google. And with this Hangout, we can either communicate through testing audio or video calls or anything. Then after that, this symbol is called as a orange color symbol, and this is a blogger symbol. It is also similar to the, we can write a novel, or we can have some kind of a poems or anything. So we can put our poems and anything, any stories that you can write or blog, and in the form of blog. So you can run your own blog on the topics of your interest by yourself or in collaboration with others. So this is very good for the people that deals with the, or that have the subjects of arts, like language subject like English, Marathi, or Hindi, or any subject, and that have the knowledge, or that have that type of the creativity of the potential to create something or to write something different or in the current topic. So they can create their own blogs, and they can publicize internationally, and the peoples that want such type of the information, they can go through your blog and they can subscribe or they can follow your blogs. Okay, so we are from teaching fraternity. So in Google Apps, we can also take advantages of Google Classrooms. So this is the symbol of Google Classroom, and I think everyone knows that how we use the Google Classroom in the COVID pandemic situation. This is a Google Classroom, that is a friendly e-learning site where teachers can interact with the students, setting and marking assignments, integrating resources and interactive contents. Now after that, this the two symbols that not mentioned in this slide, that is Google Plus and YouTube. So we are not, don't forget that each Google account has an associated social network profile, that is Google Plus and YouTube account, to create your own video channels for uploading your recordings. So for, as far as our teaching concern or teaching fraternity is concerned, we remember that in addition to private Google account, there is also a free version of Google app for education that any academic institution can easily request using their own internet domain. And because of, in this free version for education, the drive disk space for each user is unlimited, and the administrator can create as many as users account as they like for our students as well as our teachers. So Google provides unlimited space if we have our college login or our educational institute login, that is with the help of Google domain, that is for example .edu or .anything. If we have our college domain name, so we can access lot of free space or unlimited free space, and we can create many user accounts for our students also as well as our teachers. Now the Google has also most interesting feature is that these applications run on any device and on any platform or operating system. This means that whatever you are, you can access your documents on any device and continue your work where you left off in Google Apps. You can easily share your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, etc. with others. And one more important thing is that you can also create all this in collaboration with your colleagues or your students. Those who have writing permissions in documents can edit it at any time, even simultaneously. The editing history of the document is stored so that you can always revert to a previous version where can we find all these applications. So these are several ways to access. The easiest way is to open your Gmail account. First of all, you have to open the Gmail account and use the apps icons at the top right corner of the screen. And now let's see how we take the advantages of Google Apps with full potential. So I don't want to carry my PowerPoint presentation. I don't want to carry my Google Docs or any document for my presentation. If I want to give the presentation in Bangalore or any city, so I don't want to carry my laptop or my pen drive with me, because if I make my presentation on Google Slide or make my any document on Google Docs, so it is the responsibility of the Google that it take care of all my documents, and whenever I want, at what time I want, I just log in on any computer, just going to my Gmail and going to my Drive, and then I open that document in just a one click. So it is the responsibility of the Google to maintain and secure my document in proper way. It's not my responsibility, or it's not my job to every time search that document, it is virus proof or it has any kind of a virus attack or anything. I just want to make my document in Google. So it is the whole responsibility of the Google to take care of that my document. So I don't want to carry any pen drive or any laptop with me. It is not machine dependent. We can log in anywhere, and I can give my presentation in anywhere at any time. Okay. So therefore, now these are very important and interesting feature of this Google app. We can log in anywhere and take my document back and anywhere. Okay. Now another important advantage of the Google is what? We can create our document and we can share or we can collaborate with other user also. Means, for example, if I am writing any research paper, and at the same time I want to show that research paper to my guide also, so we can easily collaborate with my guide, and my guide make or suggest any correction at the same time. So we can both working on the same doc, and my guide and me working on the at the same time. And if I have any problem regarding my research papers, and at the same time my guide is also giving me suggestions that this is the problem, so you can sort out. So this is another advantage, that we can collaborate our document, any document, with anyone. Okay. So give the permission that you can access your documents or any device on any device and continue our work. Okay. So now, first of all, we focus on the Google form. Okay. So the Google Forms applications, everyone knows that what is the meaning of the Google form, and how we can use this Google form for the survey and feedback, assessments, evaluation, program proposals, and RSVP registrations. We can make reservations with the help of Google form. We can, and now this is very important, that we can make quiz competitions. We can organize the quiz competition with the help of Google form. So in this way, the Google Forms has many applications. Now, how we access the Google form? So first of all, the Google form is accessed with the help of, if we are going in your Gmail account, and in Gmail account there is a 9 dots, you can just click on this 9 dots, and after clicking on this 9 dots, you open an interface, and there is an triangular symbol, and in that triangular symbol, you just click on this triangular symbol. So that triangular symbol is called as a drive symbol, and on this drive symbol, look at this as the interface. So after this, you just click on this new tab, and after clicking on this new tab, there is another scrolling options, that are the options are open, that is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So in this, just click on this Google form. So you have already there are some templates that are the examples that you want, or the Google gives you some help for creating new forms. With the help of some templates, you can create your form, or if you want to create a new form from the scratch, so you can do with the help of this blank form. So after clicking on this blank form, this is an interface. So this interface is of Google form. So there is an untitled form here. This is the questions, responses, and all. So now we can give the name of the form, whatever event, if you are conducting any workshop or any FDP or anything, so you can give the name, or any quiz competition for first year, second year, or final year students. So you can give the name here. As far as your use is concerned, means in which application you are using this, so you can give the name here of your form, and after giving the name, you just click here, so the automatically it saves. We don't going to means click always on the save tab or anything. The Google automatically saves your information. Whatever you change, so it automatically saves. Okay. After that, this symbol is of background. We can change the background as per the need, that we can change from blue to green, green to any color. We can change this with the help of this palette symbol. After that, this is the preview symbol. We can just click on this preview symbol, and we can see that how our form is look after making the some changes. Then there is a setting symbol. With the help of setting, we can change this form to the quiz form or anything. After that, this is a required response. So this is very good option in the questions. That means this required option is what? If we enable this option, so the students or any participant can, since he has to enable this question, or he has to attempt this question, because if this option is not required, then there is no problem. But as far as our test examination is concerned, or we are conducting an online examination, so we are writing here name of the students and roll number and anything. So we put here required tab on. So the students, if anyway students forget to write his name or anything, so the Google form remind him that he has to write his name or roll number or seat number or examination number or any number. So it always gives, we have in examination, we always tab or on this required option. Okay. After that, this is an adding elements. So in this adding elements, so how we add the elements in our questions. So what type of the elements we can add? So look at this. This is the first plus sign, means what? We can add number of questions. After this, finishing this question, we can add new question with the help of this plus sign. Then this symbol, that is small 10 capital, it is called as a header or text. So we can add header or text in after the question or in between the questions. Then if we want to add an image in the question, so with the help of this image tab, we can insert the image in the question, and on that image we can ask the questions. Then this is the video tab, or this we can add with the help this tab. We can add the video with the help of this tab, and this is a new section or new page tab. So with the help of this, we can go to the new section or a page. So in this way, we can add elements in the question or in the Google form. After that, the number of questions or the number of different questions we can ask in the Google form. So what are the different types of questions we can ask in the Google form? So there is a, first of all, short and long answer type questions, multiple choice questions, checkbox and drop down. We can ask the students to upload a file if we are giving any assignments and after completing or he writing his assignment in notebook, he can take the snapshot or the photos and convert into the PDF and then upload a file. So this is the upload file option. Then there is a Likert scale, then grid option, date and time. So there are a number of options in the Google form to ask the questions. Then there is a, in settings, this is very important, that is limit to one response. So what is the use of that limit to one response? The limit to one response means what? If we are conducting the examination and if the student, if suppose the first condition is that if we are not enabling this limit to one response, if we are not enabling this option, then after what happens that the students can take the test first time, second time, third time to upgrade or to means upgrade his whatever percentage or whatever marks he's got, he has to upgrade with them. If the scenario is concerned that if the students got 20 out of 18, so if he got the 18 marks, so the student tries to give another attempt to make up or upgrade his marks, that 18 to 19 or 19 to 20. So therefore, if you want to conduct the examination in proper way and students don't want to attempt the question paper second time or third time, so therefore we have to limit to one response. So therefore on any Google account or any one email account, he has to attempt only one time this question paper or this Google form. So therefore this limit to one response is very good. Means it is very important that whenever you have to send this form to your students or any student group or any group, so therefore first be aware about that, or first you check that you have to enable this option or not. Okay. After that, how we share this Google form? So the Google form is sharing with the help of this send form option, and in send form option these are the two links, that is email or get link. So with the help of this email, you can just click on this email, and if you want to send the form 2 or 3 people, then there is no problem, you can write their email. But if you want to send this form to a larger group, more than 30 or 40 students or more than 30 or 40 participants, so you just copy this second option, that is the get link option. You just copy this link and paste on that particular WhatsApp group or any Telegram group, so all the participants can get easily accessible of that particular form. So this is very good way to share the form. After that, this is called the changing the background of the form. So with the help of this palette symbol, you can change the background. Look at this, these are the colors. You can change the colors from blue to violet or violet to pink or red, anything with the help of this. Then we also choose a theme or upload your own photo with the help of this choose a theme or select a theme tab. As far as our Google form is concerned, if these are the already given templates or the examples of the theme, but if we are organizing the FDP or any workshop or any quiz competition on national or college level, so if we want to show that our college symbol or our college letterhead, so this is very good thing. So as in place of this, we can replace this with the help of our college letterhead, and in choose a theme or upload your own photo. So in upload your own photo option, you can upload the college symbol or our college letterhead. After that, we are providing the form, and then after giving the form to the students or participants, so we have to collect the responses. So how we collect the responses? So there is another tab that is called the responses. In responses, there is an individual or a summary of responses, and we can sort out the summary as well as individual responses. And here is a plus sign in green background, that is a create a spreadsheet symbol. So this create a spreadsheet tab, we can create a spreadsheet tab. Just click on this. So we get the Excel sheet, and in Excel sheet, we get all the details regarding that particular participant. Whatever questions we ask, we get all the details regarding. And then after that, very important thing is that at what time the Google form started, or at what time the Google form filled by a particular participant, that we also get from the timestamp header. After that, every question we ask, we can analyze that, or as far as test is concerned or any examination is concerned, we know that which or what type of the question or which type of the question the students get means more difficult, and which students get more easy. So we can analyze from the spreadsheet that how our test is conducting or how our examination is going to our students. Okay, so this is very good thing that provided by the Google, that is we can create a spreadsheet and Google itself analyzes that the responses from the participants. So now we're going towards the actual demonstration, and now we see how the add-ons are work in the Google form. Okay, so just a minute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now let's start with the demonstration, and now let's see what are the add-ons we are using in the Google form. So this is my email account. I'm just click on this email account, and after clicking on this email account, this is 9 dots. I'm click on this 9 dots, and just clicking on this 9 dot, this is a triangular option, that is drive option, and I'm just click on this drive. So we got this type of the interface. On this interface, this is a plus sign. This plus sign, on click on this plus sign, this is a Google Forms, and on this Google Forms, there are a lot of options. So first of all, I'm just giving you the demonstration how we add the many things in the Google Form. So now I'm giving just the FDP on ICT. So this is the name of our Google Form. So I'm just writing the name here, and I'm going here, that is untitled form option. So I'm just click on this untitled form. So look at this. If I'm click on this, it is automatically take the name of the form. Okay, so therefore we don't have to click on the tab form, or we don't want to write, or don't have to write the name of the particular name of the form. So therefore I'm just click on here, so automatically Google takes the name of this particular form. Now I'm showing you how the form works. So first of all, just I'm giving the name, writing the first question, then look at this. This is the add question tab. So I'm click on this add question, then institute name. So like that we can add the question, and how we change the background of this form. So there is a palette symbol, that is customized theme symbol. So I'm just click on this. So look at this. This is the red color. So I can change this to red. Then this is indigo. So I can change to this. So with the help of this, we can change. Now, how we choose the image. So if I'm changing or selecting the choose image tab, so look at this. These are the already given images that we put and change the header of the form. So I am just selecting this, and here is the insert. So I'm just click on the insert. So now look at this. The header is changing. But if I want that, I want to change, or I want to show my college logo or college letterhead. So if I'm conducting the conference or I'm conducting the workshop from my college, so it's my responsibility to show my college credentials or my college logos. So therefore, I'm going again here, just click on this image upload, and I'm not going to the theme tab, so I'm going to upload tab. So in upload, there is an images from your computer. It takes the images from your computer. So I'm going to browse. Just click on the browse, and I'm selecting the my college letterhead. Okay. So with the help of this option, we can put our college letterhead. So now look at this, and I'm just press on this done tab. Okay. So after clicking on this done tab, look at this. Now look at the header is changing, and now the form now belongs to my college. So it is already shown in the above that the college conducting such a type of the FDP or anything. So we can change the header with the help of your own letterhead or anything college symbols. Okay. Now this is another symbol, that is the preview symbol. So with the help of this preview symbol, we can see that how our form is look like. So in this way, after clicking on this preview, we can see that our form is like this. Now the main thing is what I'm making this form. I'm clearing all the things, and okay, now the main thing is what this is the symbol that is called as add-on symbol. So means what, we are making the form, we have made the form, we've done all the things in such a type that what is mean by add-on. So add-on means what, we are just, I'm giving the example that if we are making the cake, and the main purpose of the add-on is what, to add some ingredient, add some cherries or something or some cream on that your form. So this is the example that add-on gives the touch up to your form, and that is very good. So first of all, I am giving you or telling you what are the add-ons I have. So first add-on I'm telling you is regarding your online examination, how we conduct the online examination in proper way. So the first is that is form presenter plus timer. This form presenter plus timer means what? I'm just click on the form presenter plus timer, and we're going to the setup. So what is the use of that form presenter plus timer? Form presenter plus timer means what? It gives you, and it gives the examination look as far as your students is concerned. What it gives us, so first of all, it gives, you can change this image to the any your examination image. Then after that, it has the time control option. So what time control option? It sets the time. It gives us the facility that this form is open for the 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes as per our use, as per our test requirement. So this is the option, that is we have set the timer. So this form is open for only 30 minutes. I am giving here is the 30 minutes. After that, you want to give the break to the students of 1 minute in between 30 minutes. So you can give the break also. Then this is an alert before 1 minute, means we are providing the 30 minutes, and after 29 minutes, the form gives alert that there is only 1 minute is remaining. After that, the form is closing. So this is the alert. So you have the option that you want to give the alert before 5 minutes or before 2 minutes or before 1 minute. So this is just an scenario that if we are conducting the examination in the in offline mode. So in offline mode, if we are the instructor or if we are with a supervisor, so we can give the instruction to the students that last 5 minutes or last 2 minutes, you just write your or check your seat numbers and anything. So like that, this is the alert that given by the form presenter add-on. And this add-on is work like this. Then after that, if the form is submitted or means after the 30 minutes, if the form is closing, then you got the message like this, that timeout, better luck next time. So you can write here anything, any message for the students that, and when the alert is going on, the form is closing soon, submit before timeout. So these are the options that given by the form presenter. Then we have another options that we can control the audience control, action control. These are the options. So with the help of this form presenter add-on, we can conduct the examination very smoothly. But another problem is that if some students are prompting from out, means behind that student, or if the students wants to change the tab and going to the Google tab to search the questions or to search the answers of that particular question. So how we tackle this situation? So therefore, for that particular, there is another add-on that is called as a timer plus proctor. So timer plus proctor means what? Look at this. This is timer plus proctor. And in this timer plus proctor, we got more options to conduct the examination proper way, like in offline mode. The students cannot cheat or cannot do any misbehaving or anything. So look at this. This is the timer. So there is no problem that I already discussed about the timing. At what date the form or the examination start, at what time, there is a start date, there is a start time, then at what date the examination has to be ended, then at what time the examination ended. So there are options. After that, this is bigger option or big option, that what is this is a proctor. So what this proctor done? The proctor has following. What it tracks? First of all, it tracks the tab switching. Means what? It detected when the test taker switches tab on the browser or moves to a different application. Means what? If the students want to track, if the students want to change the tab from the original form to the, suppose he wants to find the answer in the another tab, that is the Google tab or anything tab. So therefore it tracks the tab switching. After that, it has another option. It tracks how many people are looking at the test on the screen. Means if someone seated behind the someone seated side by side to the student, so it also tracks. If someone sitting behind the student, it also tracks. So therefore it tracks how many people looking at particular webcam of the laptop or the particular mobile phone. So therefore it can track the persons or how many persons or people looking at the particular screen. Okay. Then after that, there is a microphone detection. That is when the background noise is loud. Means if some students prompting from if some students or if anyone prompting, so therefore that sound is also tracked by this, that is detected when the background noise is loud. After that, photos at random. It takes and store a few random photos throughout the test, and you can review these photos after the test is completed. So now means what? if the students are not focusing on the particular form or your laptop camera or anything, it can move its eyesight, or it can move or turn his neck or anything, turn around on anything. So therefore it can capture its movement and it takes the random photos and it sends to us. So as far as means reliability, or as far as this accuracy is concerned, we can take the that photos, and after that, after taking that photos, we can analyze that how many times the students can look other or look from the camera, and it's look any other from the that particular camera. So therefore we can track the movement of the students also. He is concentrating on test or not, we can also detect from this movement, that is called as photos at random. Then how we know that this happens? So how we know that? So we know that from the communication that each and every movement, that each and every tracking is given to our account, and it sends to our account after the test. So therefore look at that, as it stores or the store evidences of anomalies that occur during the test, and you can review these photos, audios, etc. after the test. Okay, so after the test we can go all the photos and we can review all the photos and the audios and anything that if he's changing the tab or anything, so we can review all these things. And another option is that inform the test taker real time if they are being dishonest. Means it communicate teachers also and it communicates students also that he is not concentrating or he is being dishonest or he is means something is going on. So therefore it gives the means warning or such a type of the communication to the student also that he is concentrating, he should be concentrating on paper or he should be not concentrating on other things. So therefore this is very good app that provided. App means that is add-on that provided by the Google. Okay, so I am talking about already two add-ons, that is a timer plus presenter and timer plus proctor. But we are going towards the add-on, we are saying on add-on, but how we add on or get in the our form. So look at this, how we get this. So first of all, 1 minute, is there any question? Okay, so I don't think so. If okay, I'm going towards the how we add this add-ons. So now look at this. After in this form there is a 3 dots, and in these 3 dots, after clicking on these 3 dots, you have the option that is add-ons, and click on this add-on, so you get all the add-ons regarding this form and regarding your use. Okay, so we can take the advantages of this particular add-on. We can implement this add-on. Just a minute. And look at this. These are the add-ons. That is a timer, timer for Google's, and these are form rangers, hyperteacher create. These are the add-ons. So, for example, form, presenter plus timer. So if I click on this, so I have already installed. So therefore this, look at this, this is type of the option that is install. And if you are going to install, so therefore there is no option like this. This is a plain option. So this is I already installed. This is I already installed. So you get this add-ons from this add-on tab. Okay. So I'm just close this. Once again, I'm repeat that this is the 3 dots. And click on this 3 dots. Here is the add-on option. Okay. Now another option or another add-on is what? That this is a hyperteacher create. So what this hyperteacher create do, or what this add-on use for? So now I'm just click on this. 1 minute. I'll just refresh on this. Okay. So now this is hyperteacher create. Now what this is used for? So now this is insert edit math editor. Now with the help of this Hyperteacher create add-on, we can add the mathematical equations in your form. Okay, if some persons or if someone in this FDP is from mathematical background or from mathematics, then this add-on is very useful for that particular person if he wants to conduct the examination. So therefore, it is just a help to him to add the formulas in your form. So look at this, how we add the formulas. First of all, write the particular formula, then choose a create URL to create a URL link of the images, the link, then paste and control this with the help of paste option, and then add image. So I'm going to write the formula. For example, 1 minute, I have to click here and then add the, then going to add on. Okay, now this is Hyperteacher create, insert, edit, and okay. So I'm just write the, for example, sine plus cos equal to, for example, tan 10 plus, I'm writing anything, just an example, log y. Okay, so now this is the formula, and this formula if I have to add, so I'm writing this formula here, and look at this, this is a create link. So now in create link, you have to click on this create link. So I'm just click on the create link. Okay, so link is successfully copied to clipboard. So now link is already copied, so I'm just close this, closing this, and now I have to add that formula in this question. So therefore, how we add? So I'm just click on this image tab. Look at this, this is image tab. So I'm click on this image tab. After clicking on this image tab, I have to go to by URL because I'm copying this link. That link is called as URL. So therefore, I'm going to the URL. Okay, by URL. Now, whatever link I copied, I have to paste here. So now I'm pasting here. Okay. So now I paste here. After that, the image is like this. So now here is the again tab, that is the insert image tab. Now I'm click on this insert image tab. So my formula is in the question. Look at this, this is my formula that is in the question. So in this way, I can write the mathematical equations in the Google form. Okay. Once again, I'm repeat. If anyone has any problem. Okay. So I'm repeating. So now next question, in next question I have to add, first of all I'm going to here, and this is Hyperteacher create add-on. This Hyperteacher create, that is insert edit math. I'm click on this and I have to write the equation here. For example, log x plus y equal to suppose this is writing anything. Okay, so like that I'm writing the equation, and this equation after that, this is create link. So I'm hit on this create link, then link is copied, close this, and going to the question. And in this question, this is a image tab, add image. So I'm adding the image. How we add the image? By URL. So I'm click on this URL. Whatever link I copied, I paste here. Then in paste here, that this is the insert image. So I'm just click on this insert image. So you can add the image also. Okay. So now this is about the hypothesis create add-on. After that, another add-on, that is a Certify'em. So I think Certify'em is, everyone knows that how the Certify'em is work. So just I'm click on the Certify'em. With the help of Certify'em, every conferences or FDP gives you the certificate with the help of this Certify'em add-on. Okay. So there are two options that is providing the certificate. The first is the Autocrat and the second is the Certify'em. So I'm focusing on the Certify'em now. Means if you are conducting any online examination or quiz competition for the students in college level or in university level, so with the help of this, you can easily provide the certificates to the students. So this is the certification Certify'em, and in Certify'em, the first tab is that is the certification is off. So now I am turning on this certification tab, that is turn on. Okay. So after turning on, okay, the certification is on now. Now the passing criteria for, as far as your quiz is concerned, if you want to set the passing criteria to 80% or 70% or 50%, so you can use this. So first of all, I am setting the criterion for now the for you purpose only 0%. You have to just attempt this quiz. Now this is the template that is provided by the Certify'em. So now look at this. This is the, we can change the template. We have the options that the Google or the Certify'em add-on gives us many templates, first, this, second, third. So from this you can choose as per your use and as per your application, whatever template you want. So now I'm changing this first, I'm selecting this first template, that is elegant. Okay. And now save changes. Okay. Now the template is selected. Okay. Your certificate template is selected. Okay. So now I'm just click on this. And if you want to make some changes, then just click on here. For example, look at this and click on that. This is our template. So this is full name. And in Certify'em, there is a syntax that in syntax you have to write like this. Okay. Means these are the open braces, two open braces and two close braces are writing. And then after that, there is a title, then there is a date, and this is passing percentage. So whatever parameters or whatever index or whatever identifiers you want, that identifiers are mentioned in this. Okay. So if you want to make a changes, then there is no problem. If you don't want, then there is no problem. Okay. So I'm just click on this. And now I'm sending this link to you. And 1 minute. I'm deleting this question because this is not required to you. Again. Okay, name and institute. And add one question more. Rate the lecture. Okay. And linear scale. Okay. So I'm going to linear scale, low to high. Okay. So now this is linear scale. Now, if I want to look at this, okay. Okay. One more thing is that if this is a quiz competition, so now here is the answer key option, but I'm not going to the answer key option or anything. I'm just going giving the demonstration of the feedback form, for example. If someone filled the feedback form, he got the certificate like this. Okay. And if there is a quiz competition, then you can write here the questions and their answers. And in the answer key, you can write the answers. Okay. So now, with the help of Certify'em, I am giving you the link of this, and any one participant can give me the feedback that he got the certificate or not. Okay. So now send option. 1 minute. This is the full name. Full name. Okay. Institute name. Okay. So now I'm sending. I'm click on this blue color tab, that is send option. And with the help of this, here is the link option. This is the email, and this is the link get. So get this link. So link is too much big, so we have to shorten this with the help of the shorten URL. Now we copy this, and now I'm copy this and I'm paste on the chat box. Okay, so you have to solve, or you can fill this form here. So this is the link. I'm sending this link. You can just fill this link or fill this form, and you got the certificate. If anyone got the certificate, then please reply me. Okay, and just wait for 5 or 6 minutes for you, because we have another add-ons. Okay. So I'm sending the link. Please reply me if anyone has got the link or not, and solve the form or not. Okay. I'm again sending the link. You just fill this link, and you got the certificate or not, please tell me. Okay. You just fill this form, and after filling this form, just click on this tab. You got the certificate. Okay. In chat box. Okay, sir ने बोला है received. Yes, Nilima ma'am got. Yes. Yes, sir, filled. Got the certificate. Okay. Yes, the certificate is like this. Prachi Moreshwar Ganvir. Yes, look at this. This type of the certificate got, that is Prachi Moreshwar Ganvir, Anand Niketan College, Anand 1 Varda, has completed FDP on SIT. So look at this type of the certificate you got. So in this way, you can make the certificates and send to your students or your participants or anyone with the help of this simple Certify'em. You don't want to make a certificates or you don't want to make any changes. You just get the template from this. Look at this. Here is a date also. Date is also flashing, and with passing score of 100%. So we are not mentioning any score or any passing percentage, but it automatically takes the score from the score sheet and it flashes here. Okay, so in this way you got the certificate. So if you want to make some changes in the certificate, such as for example, you want to make the college name or write your college name here, you want to put your college logo here, so you can make the changes like this, and you can save the changes, and the certificate is you got you like this. Or you don't want this type of the template, then you can make your own template also. So look at this. Here is option. So I'm just certification is off for because it is already means I got the feedback from you. So I'm just turn off this for a while. Certificate turn off, and now I'm telling you that how you make the certificates of your own, means your with the help of your college logo and anything. So look at this. This is the select existing. So you have to make the certificate and just click on this option. So the certificate the Certify'em is attached to the PowerPoint presentation of Google, means Google slide. You have to make the certificates in Google site. Then after that, the Certify'em can detect. You have to make the if you are making the certificates in PowerPoint presentation, so the PowerPoint presentation certificate not attached by the Certify'em. So you have to make the certificates in Google slide. So look at this. I'm showing you one demo certificate here. That is a that I already made. And in this certificate, I am taking this background image from the Google, and 1 minute. I'm taking this background image from the Google and make some certain changes. Look at this. This is a Certify'em. This is my college symbol. I'm changing this. Certificate of completion presented to this. I'm writing this. And this is the syntax. You have to remember that at the time of using the Certify'em, you have to write the syntax like this, that full name with the help of this close braces, open braces, 2 close braces and 2 open braces. And after that, after your name, means the first identifier is your full name. After your full name, if you are writing the institute name, if you are writing the student's participant's number or anything, or mobile number or anything, so that after full name, whatever question you write, that flashes in other identifier. If I am writing about the students and if I am asking the full name and then after the seat number, so therefore in other identifier, the seat number is flashing. So therefore you have to make sure that whatever the information you have to flash on your certificate, you have to write on your certificate. So basically the two information is very important, that the first is full name and the other is the participant's institute name. Then after that, you have to write the designation of your particular participants also in another identifier 1, other identifier 2. So therefore, Certify'em gives us the facility to take 3 means entries, or 3 or 4 entries in your certificates, like full name, college name or institute name, designation and other thing. So it, and in paid version, you got all the opportunities or all the facilities like, but if you are going with the free version, so you have some limitations. But with the help of this, means in this free version, you have the full name, then other identifier, then you got the date also, you got the percentage also, you got the title also. So in this way, means I don't think so the students means in free version, this is enough, more than enough for us. Okay, so now okay. Ma'am, this is just an Lakshmi Kanta madam, this is just an example, ma'am. I'm just closing the form because I have to focus on other add-ons also, and convener gives me only 15 minutes more because on 12:30 I have to wind up this presentation. So now I'm going to the another very interesting add-on that is related with the Google Slides. This is very good, and everyone should be participated. So this add-on name is first of all I have to view, means I'm opening the Google slide. Look at this. This is Google slide, means it's a PowerPoint presentation by the Google. And in Google, there are I'm not going in the detail regarding what the Google provides and what it not provides, but I'm going in through the add-ons. What are the add-ons that Google provide, and what are the add-ons we are using in the Google Slides? So the first add-on is that is the extensive font. That is the start. We are going in the extensive font. What is the extensive font? The fonts means what? Sometimes the Google not provide us the fonts. It provide the regular fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, Cambrio, and anything. But if you want some different types of the fonts in your slides, and with the help of these fonts, you can make your presentation more interactive, more engaging. So these are the add-ons that is used in the Google Slides. So these are the different fonts. That font is used in the Google Slides, and with the help of this Google Slides, you can change. Means these fonts are not easily available in the. For example, these are the fonts, so that font is not easily available. So therefore, for example, I am changing this Google Slides to look at this. This is first ABC form. So now this is changed like this. This is the next font like this. Look at this. So this is very good. Look at this. This is a Aquanta script. So like that. This is again Karnaka. So like this. Akhya Telugu. So it's like this. Then this is the acronym. So you can, with the help of this font, you can decorate your slides. You can make more attractive your slides with the help of this font. So this write the name of this font. If you want to make your slides in future to make more attractive, so with this add-on name is extensive fonts. Okay, so write this name, that is extensive fonts. After that, there is the next add-on for the Google, that is hypertext create. I already told you about hypertext create in Google Forms. So I don't want to go in again details. So next is this is very important, that is icons for slides and docs. So these are the icons. Look at this. Now what are the icons? So these are the icons you can use in your presentation. With the help of this presentation or with the help of these icons, you can make your slides, Google Slides is more engaging towards the students, and your presentation is more as far as your students is concerned, is more attractive. Okay, so these are the icons. I'm just click on this. For example, I'm writing here, for example, robot. Just click on this. Look at this. These are the robots. So I'm just click on the robot. For example, this. And just click on this, and I insert this. And after click on the insert tab, I just take this and make it larger with the dragging. So like that, you can insert the icons, that is called as a flat icons, and that add-on is called as a flat icons. So you can note down the name of the add-on, that is called as a flat icon. You can add the icons, for example, all. Look at this. Just insert this. So you can add anything with the help of any icon. For example, camera icon, trophy icon. This is one of the icon that add from this flatty icon, that is a trophy icon. So I'm just close this. Now another add-on is called as the Slido. First of all, I'm going to the unsplash images. So what is the unsplash images? The unsplash images means what? If I want to take some image from the Google, then I have to go to the first of all see the CC, that is the Creative Commons. Yesterday Kushwa sir told about the CCC and that CC license. So if I want to take some image from the Google, so I have to first of all analyze also about the CC, that is Creative Commons. Is it free or not? I'm using for the educational purpose or not? I'm using for the commercial purpose or not? So therefore, the unsplash photos means what? Unsplash photos is given by the Google and it is free, and there is no such a type of the Creative Commons license. So I just click on these images and I'm used in my presentation. So this is very good app, very good add-on for you to just select the images and you take the images from the Google, means from the unsplash photos. You just write here. For example, I am writing here Earth. So look at there are many type of the photos that came, and I am just making my presentation very attractive with the help of these images. So I'm just click on this and there is no problem of the anything in such a that is the image is plagiarized or any plagiarism problem or anything. I'm just because the unsplash images gives you the free images. For example, my subject is for example electronics, so I'm writing here the electronics. 1 minute. Just look at this. These are the tabs. These are the circuits. So you can make your presentation with the help of this, that is unsplash images. And in unsplash images, you can get the free images, not any means have some images, some have problem. We get the free images, so there is no problem. Suram, Raman, yes, ma'am, I'm going too fast, but I have some limits, and I have more topics, so I have to cover all the topics in 1.5 hours. So that's why I'm making so fast. I'm okay. Okay, so this is unsplash. Okay, I'm giving you just summary about what I cover in this slide, Google slide. The first is the extensive font. That extensive fonts is used for the, you get the different types of fonts that are not get easily. Then hypothesis create, you know, because it is already used in the insert. Then there is the icons plus slide and docs. I already covered how we take the icons from this add-on. Then there is the unsplash images. The unsplash images is from the unsplash photos. We can insert the images or photos from this unsplash images. Okay. Now after that, the final add-on is a very good add-on, and it is very more interactive and more engaging, and it's a very good thing. So this is called as a Slido. What means the Slido? Slido means what? It gives the facility to directly communicate with the students while giving or while delivering the lecture or delivering the presentation or anything. So it is very good add-on in the slides, and with the help of this add-on, we can directly communicate and we can engage our students. So how we engage? So first of all, I'm clicking on this Slido. Open this, look at the name of the add-on, that is Slido, SLIDO, and this Slido. And now I'm give you guarantee that how we interact with you with the help of this presentation. So first of all, what Slido gives us? Slido gives us the facility that is asking, we are asking the multiple choice questions to the students at the time of presentation. We can ask the multiple choice question in the presentation. We can ask open text questions in the presentation. Means if student have facing some problem, then you can ask the open text question after teaching something, and you give the break and you ask the question that, are you satisfied with the answer, or are you understand regarding this? Then after that, there is a word cloud type of questions. This is called as a visualize the most popular responses as a cloud of words. You can ask or you can write the name of your students, and you can ask the students how you feel or rate the lectures. So with the help of this, look at this. This is the word cloud, and in this word cloud, like this are the questions. Then you can rate. You can ask the rating the question. Let the participants submit their rating on the your scale as per. Then asking the ranking. You can rank. You can change the rank. Means ask the participant to rank a list of options in their preferred order. Means if you are asking the questions to the students that you rank as per the ascending order or as per the descending order, you can ask the questions like that. You can conduct the online quiz competition with the help of this Slido. It is very good thing. Means there is a problem at the time of conducting the quiz, so you can conduct in the college level or university level quiz with the help of this Slido. Then how it works? So first of all, I am showing you the slides. Look at this. I am attaching this Google Slido here. Which Google app is similar to the Microsoft Docs? And there is another open-ended questions. Then this is the which app is Google. Then there's a rate. Then audience, questions and answer sessions. So I am adding all the questions here. But now I am telling you that how it works. So अगर ये work कैसे करता है ये हमें पता होना चाहिए. So now I have to give you a code. And after I am giving you the code, you know how it works and how you relate with me. So I am now present with the Slido. Everyone should understand it's a very good thing. I am providing you a code, and after providing you, your names are flashing here. Okay. Your names are flashing here. So now look at this. Right in your chat box, there is a code that is 061827. You go to the slido.com. First of all, you go to the slido.com and join there with the help of this code 061827. You just type in Google that slido.com, SLIDO, 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 slido.com. And in slido.com, if someone is joined from the mobile phone or someone is joined from the laptop, then just write, okay, yes, SLIDO. I am writing here, SLIDO, slido.com. Okay. And in slido.com, you have to, there is an option that's join Slido. So in join Slido, there is a enter code option. Okay. So 061827. You have to write the code. Don't write hash. Already hash is there. So you just write 061827. Okay. And just join. Okay, so you just write. So after that, okay, done. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So now, okay, now this is the first question for you. That is, which Google app is similar to Microsoft Docs? So which Google app is similar to Microsoft Docs? So now everyone is going to give the answer. That 13 participants has giving the answer. Look at this, 21 Google site. Okay. Okay, now, so this is the right answer, that Google app is, sorry, this is next question. Which Google app is related to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation? Microsoft PowerPoint presentation जैसा कौन सा ऐप है? So this is app that is similar to the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is which app? Okay, now after that, next question. Okay, good. Dr. Lalit Kumar, sir, give the answer in the, okay, chat box is also okay, but give the answer in the Slido. You just write a slido.com and write their answer. After that, how you feel today. Now write your name also, because your name are flashing here. Don't write, means write your name and then you are awesome, part means good, right? Like that. Okay, good. Just write your name first and then how you feel now. Okay, good. Look at this. Your the name are flashing here. So when the students are seeing their name on the big screen, so they are so much excited and they feel very good. So therefore, with the help of this app, you can very much interacted with your students, and when they're seeing their names on that screen, means now we are seeing our name on the screen, so we feel very good. So as compared to students, it's very good feeling that the students' name are flashing here and they write here their names in here. So that is a Kiran Davande sir. Then there is Dr. Gulshan Akhtar sir, name is flashing here, and there is a Suram Ram Mohan. So this is very good thing that everyone is participating here. So this is the interactive session. In this way, we can conduct the sessions for the students also with the help of this. And okay, anyone has to write, or can I move to next slide? This is again very interactive. Okay, so now okay, now I'm moving to the next slide. I think Tanvin sir also writing that Navy Stephen, excellent. Nidhi, awesome. Lalit sir. Okay, everyone is writing. So now I'm going to the next slide. The next slide is like this. You can ask the questions. This is a means open-ended question and answers. So the students can ask with the help of this session or this slide. Means we can make the slide with the help of slido.com, and we can arrange the questions. We can make the questions in a particular slide, or we can add the questions in a particular slide like this. So these are the add-on, means these are the open-ended questions platform. So you can ask the questions. Okay. After that, I'm going to the next slide. Okay, 1 minute. There is a one question. Okay. After that, how was the presentation? So you can ask the students regarding the or your participants regarding how you make your presentation. So there are many options. Okay. Wow. Good response. Thank you. Thank you all the participants. Great. Good. The presentation was wonderful. Thank you. So there are a lot of responses. 8 participants are typing. 41 or 44 already giving the responses. So you know how much students are now writing and how much students are already give the responses in this way. So here are the total number of participants that giving the responses. Here are the students. So in this way, you can make your presentation more interactive with your participants, with your with your students. Okay. Now we are going towards the what I call that next question. Okay, so this is called as a polling option. So now I'm going to look at this. This is the join the quiz first. Okay, you write your name in the quiz competition and just join your quiz. Just join. Okay, fast. Dr. Vaishali Malode, Kanchan, Linta Buke sir, Dr. Kiran Wankade, Dr. Aparna Ratnakar, Lalit Kishore Gaur, Gurvinder Singh joined. Look at this, your name is flashing here. So when the students, if we are conducting this quiz competition for the students, then students' name are also flashing on the big screen. So if you have the auditorium, or if you have any type of the big auditorium, in that we are providing the such a type of the screen, and when the students are participating from the other colleges or then they can see their names on that big screen of the participants, so they can feel very good. Okay, so now, okay, so can I start the quiz now? I'm already time over, but the due permission of the Gurmula sir, I'm taking 10 minutes more, just 10 minutes more, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, this is the first question for you. And this is time bound question, 10 seconds, sorry, 20 seconds. So you just give the answer. Which is the best search engine? That is Google, YouTube, or none? This is time 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. So in this way, you can conduct the quiz, and being the time limited, 69 participants, 70 participants, 60 participants ने आंसर दिया है. Now हम देखते हैं अभी. Right answer is the Google. Okay. किसने दिया है, कैसे दिया है, वो देखेंगे हम आगे. So now we are focusing on the next question. Okay, the next question is, in which Shakespeare play will you find the suicide of Ophelia? It's a general knowledge question. You can give the answer. It's only 10 seconds. Macbeth, Hamlet, King Lear, Othello. Okay, I'm just putting the limits 10 seconds only. Okay, so the answer is okay, Hamlet. Okay, after that, which is the next question or answer? Okay, look at this. Neville Stephen has win the quiz on number 1. He gives the answer in 0.16 seconds, and after second, Aditi Sanghal, ma'am. He is also on the second number, third number, Suram Ram Mohan Roy, and on the fourth number, Richa Bansal, ma'am, and the fifth number, Manoranjan. Okay, so look at this. The congratulations, Neville Stephen, sir. You have very much chances to go to the KBC. Fastest finger round. So in this way, as far as joke is apart, in this way you can make your presentation with the help of Slido more interactive, more engaging, and when the students cannot leave your presentation for a second also. Okay, so rate today's lecture. This is the final question, I think, as per my presentation is concerned. So rate today's question. This is the rate today's lecture. So in this way, you can make the question rating also in your PPT slide, and in this way, you can make with the help of Slido. Slido is very good, and as far as Slido, there is another add-on, that is a peer deck, but because of the time bonding, I am not conducting that peer deck. But Slido is very good, and you can make your quiz and your slides make more engaging and more interactive. So in this way, I teach you regarding the too many add-ons regarding the Google Forms and Google Slides and many more things. But I have more such a knowledge regarding this. But because of the time gap, I am not giving you the I think next time in next Gurmila sir, if give me the chance, then I'm conducting next FDP the 2 lectures for this, because in 1 lecture I don't have so much time, give so much time regarding to conduct my or share my knowledge with you. But I think I am giving you the idea regarding how you add the Google add-ons in your slides and your Google form. So if any participants have any questions, then please ask. Gurmila sir, if any participants have questions.
Yes. Okay. Aruna madam.
I request the participant please put on their queries on chat box.
One question is there, ma'am, that is the chemical equations, how we can add the chemical equations. So chemical structure we can add with the help of ChemDraw. And I think regarding as far as chemistry is concerned, Professor Gurnule sir is giving the more suitable answer as compared to me. Any other question?
Is there a question, madam?
Sir, there is again one question, whether that the Slido is used on online.
Yeah, I'm using online. So there is no problem. Yes. We can use the Slido online, no problem. Because Slido is used for the online purpose also.
One more question, how to get the code for Slido?
How we get the code for Slido, sir? Deepavali madam. Ma'am, just when we add this add-on in our Slido, and look at this, and just click on this here, and this is a Slido for open this. 1 minute. Look at this. This is present with Slido option. So when we are presenting with the Slido, so if I am click on this present with Slido, so I am opening this window, and here, so on the first slide, look at this. Here is a code. So that is 061827 is a code. So we are providing this code to the students or our participants, and with the help of that, they can interact with our slide. Okay, ma'am. Is there any another question?
Sir, there is any add-on for the screen recording?
Yes. Screen recording, there is an add-on. That is first is a simple, that is called as a loom. Write down the name. Look at this. This is a symbol of loom. That is a recorder loom. So just you have to insert this loom with the help of Google Chrome extension. Means there are some add-ons that is with the help of Google Chrome extension. So you just type Chrome extension in the Google search bar, and there is an extension option is open. So with the help of that extension option, you can add, or you can type there is a loom. So if you are typing loom, then you just press on that install option or add option with the Google Chrome. So you can add the loom recorder. That is the best recorder for the screen recording. The name is LOOM, loom. Can I write in the chat box? Okay, I'm writing here. Loom. Okay. Okay, sir. Is there any another question, ma'am?
No, sir. I hope all participants get satisfaction now.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for such a wonderful and informative session. Within the time bound, you just cover the lots of add-on. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Vasudev Gurnule sir for concluding remark. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Just now, Dr. Kunal Gaikwad have explained all the details regarding the introduction of Google Apps and their and add-ons. And as we know, all these are very important for us and for teachers. And as we hear, in case of Google Apps, there are different icons. So I have explained different icons of that Google site, Google Slide, Google Classrooms, Google plug like that. So all different icons which was given on the Google Apps have introduced. And what is now, they have how to use the add-on. And first of all, I have explained how to make the Google Forms applications for feedback or for quiz or for registration, for assessment, or for any proposals. So that form is very important for conducting the seminars or any conference or just like this FDP for registration and for also the feedback. And now there are some icons also, some points are there, how to make, how to give color, other details have been explained well. So anyone can use this for app for the making the registration or for the feedback. And after also that, as Kunal, Dr. Kunal have given the demonstration, live demonstration on the Google apps and how to add on. So different add-ons are there. I also know one more add-on, that is a Slido. Slido is very important and very good because we have seen how it works. So different types of add-ons are there. That is a Hyperthea add-on, Certify'em, and also you can make with the help of that add-on in your Google app. What is you can also conduct the quiz. You can also conduct the any activity for the student, and you can give this certificate also. So how to attach, how to use our what is the certificate, and how to create the link for the certificate have explained well. And finally, that Slido is very important for all the teachers. We can use this app for Google Slide and how we can changes the different part. So in short, we can say that this is the very important for all the teachers or for the research scholar. And today that Dr. Kunal have explained all for us and a very important part. So I am very thankful, Dr. Kunal sir, for very nice presentation and detailed information because it is very difficult to complete all these apps within a 1.5 hour, but also without any stop. Sir have explained 1.5 hours and covered majority of the parts. So if you are having any participant having again the difficulty, you can ask to the after this also you can contact to me also. You can also contact to the Dr. Kunal Gaikwad sir for any clarification. Okay, so he is a master in that now. So so many apps are also there in addition to that. But now this time we have given only 1 day for Kunal. Next time we will give the 2 days so that we can cover majority of the part. So once again, on behalf of organizing committee and on behalf of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, I am very thankful to Dr. Kunal Gaikwad sir for giving such a wonderful and detailed information regarding the introduction of Google Apps and add-on on the Google Apps. So thank you, Kunal. Over to you, madam.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir. Thank you. Now
Thank you.
we are moving towards the end of second days of 1 week national level FDP. Link for the attendance of second day FDP posted on WhatsApp and Telegram group. On behalf of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, it's honor for me to propose a vote of thanks for second day of 1 week national level FDP. I'm grateful to esteemed management, Dr. Suhasini Vanjari ma'am, President of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, for her guidance which motivate us lots. I may like to express our sincere thanks to MLA and Advocate Abhijit Vanjari sir for encouraging and supporting us to conduct such program. I'm thankful to Treasurer of Amar Seva Manda, Dr. Smita Vanjari ma'am, for unconditional support for being continuous the source of inspiration. I'm extremely thankful to today's resource person, Dr. Kunal Gaikwad sir, for giving wonderful session on Google Apps and its add-on. I'm very thankful to respected Principal Dr. Badwaik sir and Vice Principal Dr. Dahikar sir of this college for extending their cooperation for successful organizing of such a program. I would like to express a sincere thankful to Dr. Vasudev Gurnale sir and entire organizing committee. I'm also thankful to technical support team of FDP. Last but not least, a big thank to huge amount of participants from different colleges of various states and various regions of India. Dear participant, this event will be continue on tomorrow at 11 morning. Again, with another technical session with resource person, Dr. Mamta Baheti madam. Head of Computer Science Department, Hislop College, Nagpur, on topic Evaluation and Assessment Tool. We have virtual meet on Zoom as well as YouTube live streaming. We will meet on tomorrow at 11 a.m. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Hello, madam.
Yes.
We are taking one photograph of second day. Okay, so all the participants are requested to switch on your video camera. Kunal sir, kindly unshare your screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
All participants are requested, please turn on their videos for click moment.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kunal sir. Thank you, Vajpayee madam.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, Burnur sir, can I leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Huh? Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I hope that I solved all the queries regarding the Google
Yes,
Apps.
yes. You have cleared all the things. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Hello, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Stop the Zoom. Okay.
Okay. I need to call.